Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinike. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY ponytail braid using Brazilian wool. I showed the Brazilian wool I used from the beginning. Then I'm going to pin this Brazilian wool on this my dumb head. So now I'll use the pin to hold it down. I'm going to be making use of expression crochet hair. This is not my first time of using that hair. I used 157 strands of Brazilian wool for this ponytail. Sorry for my voice. My voice is not yet better yet. So sorry for that. So now you can see what I'm doing. I section the Brazilian wool into 3. Then I keep on braiding. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Can you please make sure you click on the subscribe button? And guys, do not allow the braid to be too tight. You can see I'm adding my I'm adding my crochet hair. Then I'm going to braid a little. Then I'll bring out the coils, the crochet coils hair. I'll put it at a side. So I'll keep doing that till I get to my desired length. I don't want to add any crochet hair again. You can see I added another one. I bring it out. When I first started, I start bringing one out, but later I start bringing the 2 out. You're going to understand what I'm saying. Now you can see I've already removed the second one at the other side. Then I'll add crochet hair again. Then I'm going to bring it out again. This is so lightweight. I love the length. You can actually achieve any length you want because you'll be the one cutting this hair yourself. Any length you want, you can actually achieve any length. And I'm going to tell you, if you want to achieve this style, just pick out the Brazilian wool. It won't be longer than one. You know, I say it in all my Brazilian wool video. If you want to get that kind of pencil tip, like as if it's your braiding hair, you have to make some longer than one towards the end. So I keep braiding, I keep adding. So kindly please keep on enjoying this DIY. I love DIY a lot. Who does not love DIY? I love DIY a lot. This is what they call goddess ponytail. Yes, goddess ponytail. I'm feeling the vibe. And please do not worry if any Brazilian wool is picking through. You can actually trim that off. You can actually cut that off. We don't need that. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can actually trim that off. shine, using this oil sheen to add some shine. Yeah, you have to add a little shine just to level the look up. Now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to lay my hair down. Very easy way to do that. I'm going to be using this got to be glue hairspray. Now I want another style. I don't want to pack it up. I do that a lot, so I just want to put a little pattern, a little side pattern. So now you can see I'll just brush my hair to the back. When you rock this hair the second day, if any flyaways is just coming out towards the body of your hair, just spray your got to be glue spray, then lay it down with a scarf back. You're good to go. So now I'm going to use my ponytail rubber to hold it down. Then I'm going to add this got to be glue hairspray the first time. I'll apply it all over my hair. Then I'll use this my brush to brush it down so that it can lay down very well. I'll go in with my got to be glue hairspray the second time, spray it again. I'll use my brush to lay down. Make sure you spray the back, all the back, spray it so that there will not be any air peeking through. Now I'm going to be using my scarf to lay this down. Now let's attach the ponytail. This got to be glue spray gets dry easily. No need of eye dryer, no need of you staying for a very long time. Then you can actually rock this ponytail for a week or a week plus. Just spray got to be glue hairspray. The hair is picking through, as I said before. Now I use 27 strand of Brazilian wool to wrap the ponytail to my hair. I wrap it once, then I did that twice, but I didn't count the second time. I forgot to do that. I didn't count it, so I wrap it twice. Now I'm going to use my got to be glue spray to secure it. Yeah, this is not going to move. It won't move. So this is the back. Now you can see, just look at the side. Oh, this came out so beautiful. Can you see the hair? This is goddess ponytail braid. Yes, that is the name we are going to give this hairstyle, goddess ponytail braid. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to support your girl by clicking on the like button, subscribe, share with your loved one. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much for the support and love always. I'll never take your support, your love. I'll never take it for granted. I really appreciate each and every one of you. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.